Hello guys! Let me put my hair down because I'm not about to just do my intro like that. If you like pina coladas. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Today I'm going to be filming a get ready with me. I'm having a little barbecue in my house and I thought I'd show you guys how I'm gonna get ready. Ready! And I changed a few things in my makeup routine, but I didn't want to make another makeup routine video because it's pretty much mostly the same. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get on the video. So the first thing I like to do to my hair, the first thing I like to do is I tie my hair up because I don't want my hair all up in my face. I'm just gonna do like a weird bun. So take your foundation. Oh wait, actually first you want to prime. Lay out all your makeup. Look for your primer. POREfessional primer. And this is the foundation I'm using. It's alright. What am I doing with my life? Am I an Instagram model yet? But I don't know guys, I don't know how much makeup to put on. I'm not like a beauty girl as much as I want to be. Okay guys, I'm using my beauty blender and I've been obsessed with it ever since I got it. Just bounce it around, you know? I feel like I'm so quiet compared to any other YouTuber. You just hear like mumbling in the background. I honestly use my beauty blender for everything. Sorry. I'm dying to dye my hair. I probably will do it soon, so stay tuned for that. This is the Rimmel Stay Matte powder and I love it. It's really good and it's cheap. And I'm using the brush from Real Techniques. Then we're gonna bronze that face and the thing fell off. This is a Tarte bronzer and it fell and cracked, but I'm still using it. Look how little there is. I don't even know like how I use it. I'm really bad at contouring my nose, so I don't put a lot. I forgot to put on my lip balm or whatever. This is like just Vaseline, but it makes your lips so soft. This blush is like so subtle, I love it. I hate this highlighter, but I want to use it up. I do not like this. This is Loreal Infallible. Like the highlighters, you can barely see it on your face. And then the contour just doesn't fit my skin tone. Tell me if you guys have tried this product and if you like it or not. I don't know. I'm iffy about it. Sorry. I suck at doing my eyebrows. Give me some tips like to do my eyebrows because I honestly use this like NYC little palette thing and like pretend like I'm filling them in, but I'm really not doing anything to it. Because I don't know how y'all girls do your eyebrows to make them look good as heck. Mine looks so basic. I'm gonna use this like eyebrow gel. Well, it's actually mascara, but it's clear, so you can use it on your eyebrows. I had the Anastasia eyebrow gel and it was really good, but I ran out of it. And cool, I just stuck my finger onto this. And I'm using this one. This eyeshadow palette and it's beautiful, perfect for everyday look. When you're lazy and don't want to pick out colors. It's great. I wish I was like louder like the other YouTubers and like had a better personality, but I don't. I do, but not in front of the camera. I still feel like even though I've filmed a pretty good amount of videos, I'm still a little camera shy. Sorry if I seem boring. I'll be less boring throughout my YouTube career. Throughout the videos. I can't even see how much shadow I'm putting on. I think it's good, right? Yeah. I always like putting white in like the corners of my eyes. And this palette hasn't included the best. Okay, what am I missing? Mascara? Maybe some eyeliner, right? Eyeliner time, guys. Oh gosh, my eyeshadow is like... It's like all the way up here. Use mirrors, guys. Use mirrors. Look at this. It's like I painted all the way to my eyebrow. I'm the worst beauty guru, guys. Beauty guru wannabe. I'm just gonna put eyeliner on the top. This eyeliner is okay. Guys, I have a great view. Eyeliner. I'm looking into my mirror. I'm just doing like a thin line, you know? And I'm gonna do my waterline too because I wanna look like a red wall. This is so cringe to watch. Okay. This is the eyeliner. It's the Rimmel Scandaleyes eyeliner and it's like waterproof. Oh, that's good. And now mascara time, guys. I make the ugliest face. Let me focus on not doing an ugly face while putting on my mascara because I don't want to scare all of you guys off. Tip for putting on mascara, put it on like this in a zigzag motion so you don't get a bunch of clumps everywhere. And I put a little bit on the bottom, but not too much because this mascara isn't waterproof and it tends to become eyeshadow. It tends to like fall off. For lipstick, I just got this lipstick. Maybe it's Maybelline. It's the Maybelline liquid lipstick in Seductress. I saw this on Kristen John's channel. She was using it and it looks so good on her. I wanted to try and see if it was a nice color on me too. I love her channel. I'm a big fan. I think this is the one she bought. I'm not sure if this is the exact color. I think it was. I don't know. How does it look? Guys, I'm in love with this lipstick shade. It looks so good with my makeup. Thank you, Kristen Johns. Shout out. This is the finished look. It's pretty natural, like everyday look. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit a thumbs up, comment down below, and I'll see you guys in another video. Take care of you.